Hello folks, I'm LA Little and this is today's 1 minute trade. I've got the gold stocks up, the GDX. The GDX is set up very nicely for a potential larger move to the downside. That situation here, as you can see, is a break of multiple swing point lows on this time frame. Volume expands as it breaks. That's going to trade down to the bottom of these at a minimum. And I'm talking about the bottom of these bars over here. So if you look at GDX on a short-term basis, there's actually a trade to be made. If you look at it on a longer-term basis, if you pull it up and look at the weekly, there you can see, once we get it up, there you can see that you came into the swing point high, you got over it, but now you're back underneath it. It's going to try to trade back into this bar again. That's 2466. A little bit lower bottom of this bar. And so the two bars you're looking at are here, this one, the bottom, the top of that one. That's kind of a little zone it wants to trade back into. I would expect it gets there fairly quickly. If you're interested, you could go over to something like Dust, which is a 3-to-1 short of the GDX, and you could look at it as a trade back to the other way. Again, same sort of thing, trades back into the tops of those bars, are all the way back up to here. This is a 30% move if it makes the full move up to this area. And you got 10% right here if it makes it back to this area. So it could be a quick, fast trade if one's interested. I'd look for some sort of a retrace back to this area, try to get into it, have a stop underneath.